Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to add your friend's home address in Google Maps. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps on your phone. If you don't have the app, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like search bar, your user icon, explore, go, saved, contribute, and updates. Now you have to go to saved and find the labeled option halfway through your screen. Go ahead and select three-dot menu right beside that labeled option. Then select add label from the small menu appearing from the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, you have to either enter the address or choose from the maps. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one here. Then make it as my friend's home address. Now to do that, tap on OK. Then you have to enter a label and your friend's house. You can add a name there. Go ahead and tap on done on the top right corner. Then on the label, you're gonna find your friend's house. And guys, that's it. That's how you add your friend's home address in Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.